Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm super excited to be here at the Princess Polly HQ shooting for Princess Polly and Benefit. I'm here to exclusively launch their brand new Gold Rush blush, and I am so excited to be here. So if you want to see how to achieve this very glowy, sort of nectary look, then of course please keep watching. So first I'm going to be using the POREFESSIONAL Pearl Primer, and then I'm going to be going in with the Benefit Sunbeam. So first I'm going to be using the POREFESSIONAL Primer just in my T-zone. This is great for like filling in all of my pores, and mixing them together is going to give you that perfect mattified glow. So now for foundation, I'm going to be using my Benefit Hello Flawless, and I'm going to be using the shade Beige. Now for concealer, I'm going to be taking the AIRBRUSH concealer and the brightening concealer. So first I'm going to be taking the brightening concealer. I like this one for under the eyes just to cancel out any like dark circles or anything like that. So I'm going to be applying that one first just with my finger. And now using the AIRBRUSH concealer, I'm just going to apply this under my eyes as well, just to lighten everything up. I'm also going to be taking a little bit of this down the center of my face. Now to set the under eyes, I'm going to be using my Benefit Hello Flawless in the shade Ivory. This is one of my favorite powders. I use this literally every single day, and I'm just going to be using this to brighten the under eye again and set all of that concealer in place. Now to contour my face, I'm going to be taking a little bit of the cream contour. This is the Benefit Quickie Contour Stick, and this is amazing. It's the perfect amount of like warm, but it's also going to give you that nice like carved out cheekbone look. Now to set the rest of my face, I'm going to be taking the Benefit Hello Flawless, and this one is in the shade Honey, and I'm going to set the rest of my face with this. Now to bronze up the face, I'm going to be taking the Benefit Cooler Bronzer. This stuff is insane. It is my all-time favorite bronzer. So I'm going to be using this all over the cheeks to give some warmth, and then a little bit to contour with the brush that it comes with as well. Now for the star of the show, I'm going to be going in with the Benefit Gold Rush blush. This is the brand new product. So this blush is going to give you an all over beautiful natural glow. It is so stunning on pretty much every single skin tone, and I just cannot get over it. It's a beautiful peachy sort of nectar tone, and have a look at all of that glitter. It is the most stunning blush you will see. So it has this beautiful golden overspray, and it's just going to slowly wear away and give you this beautiful sort of peach undertone. It looks absolutely incredible. You can see right now it gives you that really nice natural glow. It is going to give you that little bit of like a highlighted look as well, while giving you that subtle color on the cheeks. Now for highlighter, I'm going to be taking the Benefit What's Up. This is such a nice cream highlighter, and I'm just going to be taking some of this on my finger. This way it's really going to melt the product into your skin. A little bit on the Cupid's bow. Run a little bit of this down the center of my nose as well. So now onto eyes, I'm going to be going in with one of my favorite products to use in the crease. And I'm going to be starting with Cooler. It's the perfect crease shade. It's really nice and warm, but it's also going to give you that like nice contour to the eye. So just applying this all through the crease, buffing it all out as we go. So now I'm going to go back in with the blush. I'm actually going to put this all over my lid space as well. So I'm just going to take my finger first, and I love using this on my eyelid first as well. It's so easy to apply your shadow this way. It's just going to give that beautiful glow, and it's also going to create a little bit more warmth to the eye as well. So I've just dampened my brush a little bit, and that's going to make the pigment really, really intense on the eye, and it's just going to pick up that gold even more. Now I'm going to be using another one of Benefit's brand new products. This is the Benefit Bad Girl Bang Mascara. Obsessed with this as well. I use it literally every single day. It's so good for like volumizing, and it's also really great for lengthening your lashes as well. Now for brows, I'm going to be using the Benefit Goof Proof Pencil, and I use the shade 2. So just brushing through my brows with the spoolie that's on the end of it. And I'm going to be using the pencil to just sort of outline my brows from the bottom. Now to fill in the rest of my brows, I'm using the Benefit Browsings. I'm using the shade 3. So I like to go in with a powder just to keep them looking super fluffy and just filling in any sparse area. Now to keep my brows nice and tame, I'm going to be using my Benefit 24-Hour Brow Setter. I like to brush my brows up to keep them looking nice and fluffy. Now to finish off the lips, I'm going to be using the Benefit They're Real Double the Lip Lipstick in Criminally Coral, and I'm just going to put a little bit on my lips just for a bit of a tint. Now to finish off the look, I'm going to be going back in again with Gold Rush, the blush, and I'm going to be applying this all over the upper part of my body, all over my collarbones, and a little bit on my chest, a little bit on the shoulders as well. It's going to give you that beautiful glow and really bring those parts forward. So if you guys enjoyed the video, make sure to give it a big thumbs up for me, and if you're new to my channel or haven't already, make sure to hit the big red subscribe button down below. Big love to Princess Polly and Benefit Cosmetics for having me today. It has been so much fun. If you want to shop any of the products that I've used today or my outfit, they're all online on Princess Polly, and all of the details will be listed down below. And I'll see you in my next one. Bye guys.